Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So have you ever seen an RFP, request for proposal, and it's around 65 pages. You know you want to get started with government cleaning contracts, but you don't know how to read the RFP. What's important, what's not. So much, right? But you know there's really good money in government cleaning. Well, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to talk about in this video 4 areas that you really want to pay attention to if you don't pay attention to anything else that actually lets you know if you want to move forward with a bid. Ready? All right, let's go. Also, I want to remind you at the end of this video, I am going to give you a bid in Texas. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to find the bid in Texas. I'm going to give you a bid that is actually an active live bid right now in the state of Texas. All right, here we go. The 4 areas that I paid attention to when I was looking at winning my government cleaning bids were, number 1, I paid attention to Section B. There are actually 13 sections, but I'm going to give you 4. Section B talked about the supplies and services. So that's a very, very, very big one that I paid attention to, Section B. The next one was Section C. And Section C was really important because it was the description of work. Statement of work, description of what you need, scope of work, you know what I'm talking about, is actually telling you what you need to do. Very, very important on deciding if you're going to take the bid or not. The next section is Section L, and Section L was all about the offer, the conditions of the offer. Anything different or something that stands out you really want to pay attention to was in Section L, and that's what we call like the offer notices. That's in Section L. And the last section is number M, which is evaluation. Now, evaluations are normally, of course, 100. And they go into what's 20%, what's 40%. Usually your cost and price is going to be around 40%. Now, when I was really getting started, what did I pay attention to? Because there's so many moving parts, you can be all everywhere. So what I paid attention to was first, I wanted to know about subcontracting. That was a big, like, little nice area for me, being a sub. The next thing I paid attention to was getting those micro purchases, $10,000 and low and below. The third thing I paid attention to was the SAP, the Simplified Acquisition Procedures. That was a good one. Sweet spot. Really love those. And then I moved up to doing an RFQ, which is request for quote. Normally, they're only looking for pricing 9 times out of 10. And my last thing I really focused on after I'd gotten a little bit of experience were the RFPs, request for proposal. Now, if you are interested in a bid, an active bid in the state of Texas, then I want you to click and look into the description. I have an actual active bid that you can bid on. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. State of Texas, look in the description. Also, if you're interested in learning all about government cleaning contracts, then guess what? I've got a free masterclass I'd love to see you attend. Space is limited. If you're interested, click in the description. I've got all that in there for you, or reach out to us if you have any questions on government cleaning. Make sure you reach out to us at 407-986-8228. And until next time, in the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.